I've got some new Bruno Mark Oxfords. We're gonna unbox them, first impressions here, and then I'm gonna put them on, walk around. I'll let you know exactly how they feel. First of all, the packaging. I love these little bags. Everything comes especially protected. And on a shoe like this, it's got that leather. This is a super dark brown chocolate color. That's darker than anything I've got. Usually I go for that more caramel camel color, but I wanted something a little bit darker. Some of the highlights of the shoe right out of the box is there's this white, it's actually more of a cream sole here, but then there's a light brown, that caramel color, that little more traditional brown, and then there's the darker brown, burgundy almost brown. So I just like that difference in contrast. There's also some stitching right here and another pattern right there. So there's a lot going on in a simple shoe. It is an open toe. Looks like a lot of room in the toe box there. I like that. And yeah, this is good. All right, as for the sole, okay, I'd say that is medium high on the padding, plus this sole is going to give it a little bit of extra. Speaking of, this has got a grip, but it's a denser bottom to it. There's a denser foam or on those, and there's a rubber ending here for grip, and even on the toe there. I'm kind of curious to see how that plays out. Okay, what else can I tell you? It's lace up. Let me get this support out of there. Ooh, okay. There is a slight amount of cushion around the collar, which I appreciate because I might wear these with some thinner dress socks, though you could certainly go a little bit more casual with these. That's the beauty of these Oxfords. You can dress up, you can dress down. But what's really neat, I've never seen this in a Bruno Mark shoe. This is now my new favorite interior. Check out this pattern on the inside. Let's see. Oh, am I gonna be able to show you? There, right there. See that? It's like wallpaper. That's cool. I like it. So that's an unexpected little addition. So, all right. First impressions, very nice. I'm gonna throw them on and I'll let you know exactly how they feel. Went with the bar lacing straight across on both sides and tucked the laces. It's a good looking shoe. Let's walk outside, check these out. So first impressions, comfortable. Like the high contrast of the white and the brown. So the look I really like, especially out here in the sunlight. As far as give, like again, those are medium to high. And the cushion, yeah, I'm liking these. It's just a different color that I didn't have before. I think I'm gonna appreciate these. These are from Bruno Mark. I have partnered with Bruno Mark before many times, and they sent me these shoes for my honest review. This is my honest review. I'd say the highlights are on Bruno Marks in general is a super affordable shoe at a far good enough quality. Like you get a lot of bang for the buck with Bruno Marks. I like to wear these for several months. They are not so inexpensive to where they're disposable by any means, but my goodness, you can wear these for several months and get your money's worth. Have lots of different styles for all the different occasions. I like these, and especially the color. Hope that helps.